growercoach.com. Just having a quick look at peonies. It's that time of year. You know, when it comes to cutting back peonies in the fall, we never quite know when. I often get asked that question, when do you cut back peonies? Well, you know, there's some peonies that are so happy and healthy that they actually look great in the fall. You know, you can clip off the seed heads and just leave the thing to grow because it turns these beautiful oranges and yellow colors. You get a really nice fall color. But the key is as soon as the plant starts to fade a little bit, it's gone past the beautiful fall colors, it's starting to look a little bit rough, then you got to make a decision. And I don't like them to fall all into mush or whatever. I like to be able to handle them when the stems are still pretty rigid and they're easy to deal with. So I've got a peony here I'm going to cut back right now. The date today I think is around the 20th of October, somewhere in that range, and it's about right. This peony is one of my favorites, and it's a beautiful variety when it's blooming. I actually have a video on this one where you can walk all the way around the plant, and I've shown it in full bloom. It's a bicolor, but you can sort of see some of the fall colors showing up, but it's past its prime for sure. I want to note these markings, these little cuts in the sides of the leaves, which are called notches, and that's from the weevils that we have here, little weevils, beetles that chew the leaves. I'm going to do a video just on weevils, and so I'm not going to talk too much about it today, but that's what's going on there. Okay, so this plant, we had a little bit of rain last night, and I have a stand in the middle of this. You know, I usually leave my stands on year round. Like, I'll pull it out to cut it back, but then once I'm done, I put it back in so that I mark the location of it, and that way I don't forget to put my peony rings back on or my peony supports, because I always leave them on. And next spring I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to worry about forgetting. So just sort of yank this thing out, and whatever comes with it comes with it. There you go. And this thing is quite wet, but now all I really need to do with this guy is just get right in here and start hacking away. So I have this iris here, which I just doing a video on when to cut back irises, and this is the same timing. And I just have to clear it out here a bit so you can sort of see what's going on. But this guy's got some pretty heavy duty stems, so I just literally have to cut these off. If I cut them too short, then I don't know where the peony is, so I always leave them sticking up about maybe 4 to 6 inches or so, somewhere in that range, so that I can see it sort of marks the plant, where the plant is. Again, just in case if I lose track of it. That's pretty much that. And then these leaves can go into the compost, and we're good to go for another season. But I will have to deal with the weevils, so watch for a weevil video coming up, because there's some specific timing that I have to be aware of. So as far as that goes, you'll notice this beautiful black mulch we have, and sometimes adding some nice composted mulch is not a bad idea to apply. Either, well, typically in the fall is a good time to do that. Protects the surface roots and whatnot, so it keeps the plant nice and healthy. So that's basically it for today. I really appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to check our website, growercoach.com, and enjoy those peonies. Gotta be the most decadent cut flower you can get. It's the best. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.